I don't know why there are so many stereotypes about India in China. So it's my day 6 in China, and I did make a lot of friends. I was in Guangzhou, and now I'm in Beijing. I did meet a lot of Chinese people, and I did talk to them. All of them had to say just one thing, that uh, India is not good. The news about India, it's not good. So Chinese people over here, they do serve Indian people, but they do not like Indian people, and it's all because of the news and social media. They don't have much apps over here. Like there are so many restrictions. They just have TikTok and news. Any other thing, like they cannot know about any other thing from any other channel. So it's just TikTok and news, and TikTok and news are spreading so many rumors about how Indians and how Indians are and how Indian people are. But after talking to me, so many Chinese people found out that it is just rumors and it is just stereotypes that we hear through news about India, that India is like this, India is like that, Indian people do not respect, or Indian people are not friendly, Indian people are super rude. But I did help like most of the people whom I met. I helped them to break this stereotype, and they were really happy, and they were thanking me that I did help them break the stereotype about India. So I don't know if it's the government who's trying to spread these stereotypes, or they want to continue the beef with India, like Chinese government want to continue the beef with India. I don't know what's the main reason about, like why people here do not like Indian people. But I did find out, like we as an Indian, and we as an Indian community do not think any bad thing about Chinese people. And since I'm here, I did find that Chinese people are super nice and super awesome and super friendly. They just create a boundary with Indian people because of the news they watch about India. And I did meet a really great guy, and he's my really good friend now. And he was really happy that I did break the stereotype, and he even decided that he's gonna now visit India because he met me and was able to break the stereotype about Indian people and India. So I don't know why all these rumors and chaos about India in Chinese. Sorry, I'm in China. So I think it's the propaganda the China government is trying to spread, but I still don't know why. We all are just one people, one community. We all are humans living on this planet Earth. Though we made some boundaries that we call countries now, we started creating boundaries, we started creating dynasties, and we started creating countries, and that did separate all of us from each and every other people, and that created the difference between us humans. Honestly, humans are super friendly people and super caring people, but these boundaries did create inequality. These boundaries did create so much discrimination. But like I don't know why people do that, why anyone do that, when we all are the same human being. And I don't know, I'm not sure, but came from the same place. We all started from the same place. We all live the same life. We are actually living the same life, except in China. Like Chinese government do not allow Chinese people to see the rest of the world. I don't know why that is, because there is a huge world outside, and Chinese government is not allowing to see the people, the outside world. The people who are in China, they feel China is the safest place on earth, and they do not want to go outside because China is everything for them. But I would say people who are working in China, they do not have much growth and do not have much of the independency in them, and they do feel like not going out of China. So I don't know why is that. We all are just human. Just be human, help each other, believe in each other, care about each other. We are emotional beings. As a humans, we are emotional beings and social beings. So we just should take care of each other. So there should be no hard feelings in anyone's heart about any of us. So be kind and be human.